Hi you guys, today we are going to go over 5 trendy haircuts for 2024. The first one I want to go over with you is a Bixie Cut. I don't know if you've heard that, but it is the mix of a bob and a pixie cut. And what's cool is the volume and the length of the bob and the pixie, like the edgy layering and stuff with the pixie, that combined has been really fun, and it just makes it carefree for people, an easy style. It does give you the length, so it's not as short as a pixie, but the pixie layering and edgy funness in it adds some fun to it. So that is the first one I wanted to go over. So it is the Bixie Cut. The second haircut that I'm going to go over with you guys is the Cowgirl Cut. If you guys have heard of this one's fun. It can actually bring back like a little bit from the 70s, the butterfly cut, if you remember that. Lots of layers, wispy bangs. It's really cute, lots of layering around the face also. It's good for any hair textures really. It adds volume, which is nice because of all the layering, and around the face, it softens it also. So you have the volume, but it's soft and flowy. So that one, I wanted to let you guys know that the Cowgirl Cut it's a hit right now. It's a really fun one. All right, you guys, the soft bob is the next one. The soft bob is a chic, very nice cut for any occasion. It can be for more of a natural look. If you like a soft natural look, a soft bob would be a great haircut for you. And it's good with straight or wavy hair. Very good with any face shape, which is right, like super good key to here is the round face, the square face, heart shaped. It's good. The soft bob is good for any face shape, which is super nice. It also has gentle lines with the cut that just makes it feel fresh and look good for pretty much anyone out there. So a soft bob is an incredible haircut for many people. All right, number 4 is the curtain bangs. I am sure that you have heard of those. If not, you already have them. It's super popular right now. It's very good for any hair texture. The straight, wavy, curly, any of that, it's super nice. Any length from medium to long hair is really good, and it just complements any face shape, and it flatters the face shape by shaping it around the face. So when you do the curtain bangs and then you bring it down and just frame that face, it is going to be very flattering. So that is number 4 is the curtain bang. Number 5, you guys, is a blunt bob. If you've seen those can be super, super cute. They are good for slightly wavy hair, straight hair. It flatters fine to medium textured hair. And by adding this straight bob, it's usually below the chin, it gives the illusion of thicker hair. So depending on the texture of your hair, this could be a good one because it could give the illusion that it is thicker. So number 5 is the blunt bob. It's perfect to make a bold statement also out there. So anyway, I hope that this has helped you. If you have any questions, what would it be good on your face shape, anything like that, I am going to bring up, I had a couple people say, what's a good haircut for bigger ladies? And this is just a couple little things that I would recommend. Lots of volume on the top. If you feel bigger, you're not going to want to have poof out hair, okay? So if you feel bigger, you're gonna want some length up here to take away and elongate that face. So anyway, I just wanted to put that at the end of the video just so you could see that out there, and hopefully that helps. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will chat next time. See you guys.